Now give me a lovely smile.
Can I have a tag?
Oh.
Smile. How do I get the pictures?
You just press this button.
That's a picture of Nana.
Oh.
I love Nanny. She made the yummiest cookies. She was the best.
She certainly was.
Where's Nanny now, Pop? Can she see us?
I think that it's time that all little angels were in bed.
I love you, Poppy. Look, Pop, Nanny's taking pictures. Gotta smile.